Thanks for joining me on the job site. We're here in South Lyon, Michigan on this beautiful Embriano project to take a look at part 4 of a 5-point paving system, the edge restraint. The purpose of an edge restraint is to prevent horizontal movement along the perimeter of a paving system, maintaining the integrity of the entire system. Edge restraints are required on the entire perimeter except for areas where the paving is going to meet up against a foundation, a planter, a step, or a retaining wall. The two preferred types of edge restraints are plastic edging that is installed with spikes and modified concrete edging that is installed with a trowel. Modified concrete edging has two distinct advantages over traditional concrete edge. First is its ability to flex during freeze-thaw cycles while maintaining its strength and durability. And second, there are several modified concrete edge restraint options that allow for compaction immediately following installation. When it comes to the edge restraint, this step can be installed at various stages throughout a project. Some contractors will choose to install their edge restraint first and use it as a border when screeding their bedding layer. Other times it may make more sense to install the majority of the pavers and then install your edge restraint at the final edge of those pavers. Regardless of when you choose to install your edge restraint, there's two important considerations to keep in mind. The first is that your edge restraint must be installed prior to completing the final compaction of your pavers to set them into the bedding layer. The second part is when it comes to your bedding layer, it's important that you remove that and work your way down to the base material. We talked about base extension in a previous segment with base installation. This base is extending a good 6 to 8 inches beyond the finished edge of the paver, which is supporting the entire paving system and also allowing a firm foundation for these spikes to be nailed into to support this edge restraint. Without that base extension, this edge restraint would over time inevitably fail. After all edge restraints have been installed, you can complete the final step of paver installation, compacting to bed the pavers into the bedding course. Thanks for spending time with us. We hope you gained some information on edge restraint installation in this segment. We'll see you next time.